And I was having a ton of leak coming right out of the bottom side of this area. So I pulled it out. Back over to the counter with my favorite tool. It's gonna be brake clean. Okay, today we're fixing a very heavy transfer case output seal leak. It's coming off of my Chevy Suburban, 1991. I'll show you where it's leaking from in a little bit later. I already took everything apart. I was in a time crunch. I didn't make videos, so I'm kind of jumping in the middle here. But this is the yoke that slides into the front of your transfer case for the output shaft going forward to the front of the engine, which would be that way. And then your drive shaft bolts up here, goes to your pumpkin, the engine's up here, does that whole four-wheel drive thing. And I was having a ton of leak coming right out of the bottom side of this area. So I pulled it out. The seal honestly looked fine to me, to be honest. It had the little star gasket in on the shaft here as well. But if you take a look, let me try to get you closer here. I'm sure you can already see it, it's pretty bad. That right there, these grooves in my yoke. You look to the side, you can kind of see it bowing in a bit. But these grooves here, this is the reason it's leaking. You can feel it with your finger, it's very grooved out and there's two of them. No matter how perfect the seal is, it's not going to seal up on this. I can show you the seal and everything. So what we're doing here is we're gonna sleeve it. This is the part that I got from Advanced Auto. It's a national part, I think. National something. The part number is NOS 99181. Let me show you what it does, what the idea is here. I cleaned off this yoke. I pretty much have a good idea of how this happened. The entire underside of the Suburban is caked in mud. When I pulled this apart, there was a ton of mud all around the seal, all over the shaft, pretty much everywhere. Mud shouldn't necessarily be getting in there, but I don't know, caked the thing. All the U-joints were destroyed. So I think mud got in the seal and got underneath it and grooved all this out. This is the sleeve, so this is the right size basically that this should be. What we're gonna do is finish cleaning it off. We set this on top, take this little cap here, put it on top of that, and then you hammer the cap down to put this sleeve over top of your yoke, and that gets rid of those grooves. So that's the idea. That's what we're doing here. It's a cheap, well, I wouldn't say it's a cheap fix, because this little cap part was pretty expensive. There are cheaper ones you can get. I'm just on a time crunch, and you could go to the junkyard and pull an entire new yoke for 10 bucks if you can get to them. But those bolts are on there pretty tight, so I'm gonna keep cleaning this up. I'm gonna put some grease on it, and then we'll try to slide that sleeve over top of the shaft, and we'll go back to the truck, and I'll let you know where the leak was coming from. I'll show you the part number for the seal, all that other stuff. Now we're gonna try to put this sleeve on here. I have put a little bit of grease around the shaft. Sleeve sets on top like this, and this little cap basically goes right over top of it. Make sure the back side of the yoke is braced with something, and then just try to tap straight down on it.
Signals, tension in the air, it sizzles. Had you in the morning, said let's keep this simple. Saw you in the evening, you were looking simple. Had a plan and now you're being cool. Starting to think this could be official. Let me see your best move, let me see your best move, yeah. What's your best move? Let me see your best move, let me see your best move, yeah. What's your best move? Let me see your best move, let me see your best move, yeah. What's your best move? Let me see your best move, let me see your best move, yeah. but we both love a little bad magic and tragic. She flips like a fad, yeah, this girl is a magic. Gonna play games just to make me a little man. Yeah, I got a temper, never with her. Headache and heartache, she runs me in circles. I'll bear all I can take.
On the first floor, this is a story of the girl on the on the first floor, this is a story of the girl on the first floor. On the first floor, this is a story of the girl on the on the first floor, this is a story of the girl on the first floor.
What you was smooth, let me see you was smooth, let me see you was smooth, yeah. What you was smooth, let me see you was smooth, let me see you was smooth, yeah. What you was smooth, let me see you was smooth, let me see you was smooth, yeah. What you was smooth, let me see you was smooth, let me see you was smooth, yeah.
Told me that I had you like we're back in high school. Cutie with a booty, oh girl, I think I like you. Falling true and stumbling, heartbeat thumping. Took you back to my crib, keys fumbling, busting through the door, crawling on the floor.
Not work at all. You'll see what happened.